Hello friends, welcome to the best lentil recipe. I'm showing you how to make it in the easiest way within the least time. So we begin by adding olive oil in a pan. Add cumin seeds. If it's your first time here, you most welcome. Kindly subscribe. We add onions and saute until the onions become transparent. But this is the easiest way because the cooking is done within 30 minutes. If you are my returning subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate. So we then add the ginger garlic paste. Add tomatoes, seasoning, and salt. Mix well for around 1 minute. Add soaked lentil. We soak lentil for around 5 to 10 minutes. Mix well. And add water. We add water to cover the lentil. Cover and cook for around 25 to 30 minutes on medium heat. After 25 minutes, this is my lentil. The aroma is just nice. Remember to taste the salt. The lentil is now ready. You can see how it looks like. Add coriander leaves. For those of you who don't want coriander leaves, it's okay, you can just serve it without coriander leaves. But coriander leaves give it a very nice aroma. So I usually serve this with white rice. However, some people love it with bread, cooked. People back home, you can have this with matoke. It's really nice. This is what we call kao omasemo in Uganda. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.